promise that you'll never be lonely.
Well, Patrick, I think it has to be the greatest day of our lives. Yeah, it is. And we'll deal with any storm, no tries to the formula or any of that. It's gonna be it's just be very peaceful to us. Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, it's gonna be every day. Huh? Wait, what's that? What's that thing on falling in the sky? Hmm. Huh? Mm-hmm. Huh? Oh, huh? What is that? That pink thing doing here? But it makes me kind of. Ow! Ooh. SpongeBob, are you okay? SpongeBob, are you okay? No, but hey, get the thing off me. Okay, I'll help you. Ah, what the bonkers was that? What is that? Like a pile of bricks or something? Put a junk in here. Wait, what was that? Oh, God. Patrick, be back inside right now. Okay, we gotta take shelter in here. Okay, Papa. What we're gonna do? What we're gonna do? And I don't know, Patrick. I don't know what we're gonna do. This hailstorm is not the same one as 2 years ago. This one, the hailstorm throws junk upon us. Junk. Who will throw junk instead of icicles? Ice the hailstorm usually do. I'm not Patrick, but whoever caused this hailstorm. Is nobody is unknown. Oh, okay, but about the hailstorm, what about it? What, Patrick? Luckily, we had good shelter here. Maybe not good shelter. Maybe we should all go down to the one place that we have good shelter. Where? The Krusty Krab. Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah, Mr. Krabs, open the door. It's raining hail. Ah! Mr. Krabs, come on. Mr. Krabs, no. Oh, oh, I hate hail. Wait, no. Oh, I hate hail. No, wait. They make ice cream cream. So they make ice cream out of snow. Yay! Ice cream. Oh, my head. I feel a little light. Oh, my crying. It's frozen. My God, frozen. Oh, dear. My brain is fried. That's in my holes. Alright, the hell is breaking my windows. I. Ah. Uh, uh, no. Oh no. Ah. Oh, my back. Oh, my house. This is great. My house is destroyed. I said, where we gonna stay at? This storm blows over. I have to go to the Krusty Krab. You know that dumb sponge is there. Fine, I'll do it. Oh, I'm here. Skirt, what happened? Hey, Skirt, what happened? I'm there. I'm to the house. It kind of fell over. Skirt, I'm sorry about your house. It's okay. I'll get it put back back there easily. But anyways, I came here to take shelter against this violent hailstorm everyone is going through. Mm. So what caused it? What caused it? The hailstorm they were drunk at us. The ice. I don't know. I don't want to know. Maybe. I don't. Maybe. How about we watch the news? Okay, okay. That's not a good idea. This just in. News thing about this hailstorm. There has been an explosion accident at a junkyard today. The was caused by Sheldon J. Plankton. The mathematical attached to the formula from crops. If you see this man, please call number one immediately. Also, he is charged for extreme environmental damage to our beloved city. But that plankton. Really? Plankton out the explosion? Wait, no, I have to put it in your airplane to do like that. Oh. Oh, I think the news anchor is a bit star plankton. Yeah, I guess you're right. But nah. Wait, guys, do you hear something? No, what is it? Uh, did the hail stop? Hail? Did the hail stop? Something? I don't know. Let's check it out. Let's see what's going on. Okay. It's not raining here. Hey guys, hey guys, get out here. What's going on? It's not raining hail. Yeah. Oh, thank goodness that hail was rough as heck. Yeah, but the crabs, it was all things the Krusty Krab, who helped us to survive the second hailstorm. Of course we did. Of course we did. Now, what are we gonna do about all this mess? Sorry, Mr. Krabs. We're gonna clean up. I found this cupboard. Oh yeah, I am. That's cupboard. Yeah, whatever. Wait, good. Okay, now, buddy. How about take over? All right, buddy. Start cleaning up. Okay. All right. All right. Whatever. Let's get started. How is everything? SpongeBob? I get everything is better now. Bye.